Hello guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video, another success immigration stories ang ating ibabahagi sa vlog na ito. And this category is under family reunion, unborn child with German partner. So it is a German-Filipina partner. So this couple, we assist them on their unborn child journey for their visa application in Philippines. And now we are happy to share their story as they were success not only on their visa application, but also now they're together and no more LDR again. So thank you again, Sammy and Darrell or Samantha, for sharing your story with us. So Samantha was traveled June 2, 2024. And now she was success on Philippine immigration and also in Germany. So we are happy na ibahagi ang kanilang story sa inyo, and for the future preferences as well, ay baka makatulong ito sa mga unborn child din na katulad ni Sammy na magta-travel going to from Philippines to Germany soon. Kung ano yung mga hinanap na documents sa kanya during her appointment or during her flight noong June 2, 2024. So, yan yung couple natin. Ito yung nasabi nila during their application. So, they were both happy na kami yung nag-handle ng kanilang visa application for their unborn child. So, thank you again, Sammy and Darrell, for sharing your story with us. So, sabi ni Sammy, hello po, ngayon lang ako nakapag-chat. Last nung Wednesday na, nung nakarating na siya this week. Sabi niya, thank you po sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa amin. Ganon din si Darrell, thank you again as well. So, let's proceed her immigration story. And sabi sa kanya, kasi siya ay nag-flight from Clark International Airport sa Pampanga, then going to Frankfurt, okay? So sabi niya, ma'am, sa immigration or ate, sa immigration po, wala naman po masyadong tinanong sa akin. So, bale, sa Clark po ako departure. And tinanong lang po sa akin is yung ID ng partner ko. So yung passport niya, passport copy ng partner niya. And nag-ask po sila ng CFO certificate. Sa immigration to sa Clark. Then, tinatakan na po yung passport ko. And, of course, yung visa approval ng kanyang unborn child visa. Okay? So, CFO certificate and passport copy ng partner niya and her passport as well, Philippine passport and the visa. Then, once she arrived in Germany, in Frankfurt, siguro they know that she's pregnant and wala nang tinanong daw sa kanya when she arrived in Germany, in Frankfurt. Then, dire-diretso lang siya at wala na daw tanong. O, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing. Sobrang smooth lang ng kanyang flight from Philippines to Germany. Sobrang smooth lang. Wala nang tinanong ang immigration ng Frankfurt dito sa Germany. Tinanong, dire-diretso lang po ako at tinataka na po agad yung passport ko. And, grabe, so smooth lang, di ba? So, ganun lang ka-smooth ang naging travel niya nung June 2 from Clark, Pampanga to Frankfurt, Germany. So, but then, as if you're traveling as well soon, mas maganda na complete pa rin yung documents nyo. So, meron kayong invitation letter or sponsorship letter from your partner. Of course, nandyan yung flight tickets. Pero guys, kapag unborn child, one way na lang siya guys, ha? You don't need a return ticket. or even health insurance or travel insurance you don't need. Pero for your security as well, dahil nga pregnant kayo, mas mabuti na mag-ready kayo ng travel insurance, okay? For your security. Pero sa requirements nyo sa visa, hindi yun kailangan, okay? And then, of course, CFO, passport copy ng partner nyo, ng European or German partner nyo, and of course, your visa and your Philippine passport and CFO. Yon, okay? So, para maging smooth as well yung case nyo or yung day na magta-travel din kayo from Philippines to Germany. So, it's a case-to-case basis. So, maganda lang at na-share din ni Miss Sammy sa atin ang kanyang experience para naman sa mga future na ating unborn child din ay magka-idea sila kung ano yung possible na hahanapin sa kanila ng Philippine immigration. So, for your security, talagang kumuha kayo ng CFO, guys. Major requirements yan, okay? And one-way flight ticket na, guys. Hindi na kailangan ng return ticket, okay? Kasi kapag unborn child, it's a long-term stay here in Germany, okay? And they know naman yan, guys. Alam niya ng immigration officer kung ano yung mga visa nyo. So, explain nyo lang din na kung hindi. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung kailangan ba talaga ng return ticket, hindi na, guys, ha? Kapag unborn child or spouse or marriage visa or fiancé visa, hindi na. One way lang yan, guys, okay? And for assurance talaga, travel insurance, kung kaya nyo at affordable naman or afford nyo kumuha ng travel insurance for your security kasi nga buntis kayo, okay? For your security lang yan. Pero hindi nyo yan magagamit dito sa Germany if ever na mag-deliver kayo or i-deliver nyo yung baby, hindi So, kukuha pa rin kayo ng separate insurance dito sa Germany for your delivery, okay, ng baby nyo. So, only for travel lang yan, purposes, okay? And yeah, that's all the information that you can use or that you can have idea as well, lalo na kung magta-travel ka as an unborn child visa, okay? So, thank you again, Daryl and Sammy, for sharing your story with us. Malaking tulong to sa iba nating couples na katulad nyo at same case sa inyo na unborn child din, and at least magkaka-idea sila on what are the requirements in case nahanapan sila. Additional din, guys, is Senomar kung kailangan magdala. Kung ano yung sinabmit nyo sa German embassy or any embassy unborn child, ay ilagay nyo lang sa envelope or folder that you can easily show it to the immigration in case nahanapin sa'yo. Pero the rest, yun ang pinaka-important is CFO certificate, your approved visa, the sponsorship letter from your European or German partner, and his passport copy. Of course, your Philippine passport as well, okay? And additional is Senomar, okay? And travel insurance in case, for your security lang. But it's not totally requirement, the travel insurance, okay? And the one-way flight ticket. So yeah, that's all. And if nakatulong itong vlog namin sa inyo, please don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And so you're always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. As well, if you're traveling soon as well, not only the category of unborn child, for example, you're also spouse, fiancé, you can DM us in our description below, in our Facebook or Instagram. Malaking tulong to, guys, kung you are also sharing your immigration success story with us para naman sa ibang future natin na traveler din ay magka-idea sila kung ano yung hinanap at para mawala yung kaba nila when sa kanilang part naman ay darating din, okay? Para at least kampante sila na sakto or tama ang kanilang daladalang documents. And it will be as well a good and a motivation for them and an encouragement kung ano yung mga documents na kakailanganin at ipoprovide nila sa immigration. So just message us on our description below in Facebook or Instagram. And we are happy to connect with you guys, okay? Again, thank you, Sammy and Daryl. No more LDR. You're now here in Germany, and God bless on your delivery, the baby as well. And I'm happy na not not only me, but also Kai are happy that you share your immigration success story here in our channel, in our YouTube, Han and Kai. So thank you again, guys. God bless and cheers!